Welcome to Mastering Chat GPT, Unleashing the Full Potential of AI Conversation. In this video, we will explore how to effectively utilize Chat GPT, the remarkable AI language model developed by OpenAI. To get started, let's understand the basics. Chat GPT operates on a text-based interface, where you provide a prompt or question, and it generates a human-like response. Remember, clear and concise prompts yield better results. Tip number 1, define your objectives. It's essential to have a clear idea of what you want to achieve with each interaction. Whether you're seeking creative ideas, information, or simply engaging in casual conversation, a defined purpose will guide the conversation. Tip number 2, experiment with response length. Chat GPT can generate short, concise answers or longer, more detailed ones. Adjust the temperature parameter to fine-tune the response length based on your context and preferences. Tip number 3, provide instructions and context. Enhance Chat GPT's understanding by specifying desired style, tone, or requesting step-by-step thinking. This helps the model generate more relevant and tailored responses. Tip number 4, refine and iterate. Don't hesitate to refine your prompts. If the initial response falls short, try rephrasing or adding more context to achieve the desired outcome. Iteration is key to unlocking Chat GPT's potential. Tip number 5, use system messages wisely. Pay attention to system messages as they can provide clarifying questions or warnings. System messages in Chat GPT are typically displayed as text and are presented in natural language rather than code. These messages serve as instructions or prompts for the model to guide its behavior during the conversation. They are meant to provide high-level guidance, clarification, or context for the AI model to generate more accurate and relevant responses. For example, a system message could be: "You are an assistant helping users with tech support. Provide helpful and informative responses." Remember, Chat GPT, like any language model, has limitations. Exercise critical thinking and interpret its responses carefully, as occasional inaccuracies or biases may occur. OpenAI values your feedback to continually improve the model.